Let us see how to do a dynamic parameterization of the decide capabilities. My expectation is whenever I choose iOS, in the platform versions I should only see the iOS compatible platforms. For this, we need to download some plugins. The plugin that I would need is, let me go to the website called bouno.org. Over here there are a bunch of Jenkins plugins, and the plugin that I need is Choice plugin. In order for me to download this plugin is not directly available. If you go to manage Jenkins, manage plugins, if you go to the available section, you would not find this plugin. In order for you to get access to these plugins, you need to add an update site. Okay, here are the installation steps that are provided. Let us do it. The first step that I need to do is I need to install an update sites manager plugin. So let us go back and search for update sites. There you go, manager plugin. I will choose this plugin and install it without a restart. Okay, while this plugin is being installed, the next step that I need to do is I need to add an update site. Okay, it's completely installed. Now let me go back. I'll go to manage Jenkins. If you could see here, there is a new option added, manage update sites. Click on it, add a new site, and we would just feed the values that we get from here. This plugin is required, guys, if you want to do a dynamic parameterization. The URL, and finally the CA certificate. Save it. Now that I added the update site, the last step that I need to do is I need to go and click on check now. I'll go back to Jenkins, manage Jenkins, manage plugins. Over here under the advanced section, I could go and I could click on this check now. What this will do is this will go and check if there are any updates in this update sites manager plugin. Now I installed it, I should be able to get access to this Choice plugins. Go back to Jenkins, manage Jenkins and manage plugins. Let me see now if I would be able to see that plugin under my available category. Choice, there you go. I am now able to see this Choice plugin. Let me install this without restart. Okay, so the installation is completed. Now I could do a dynamic parameterization. Now let me go back to this Appium integration job, configure. Okay, and now this platform name is going to be fine. It's a choice that the user would choose either iOS or Android. Under here, the platform version, I want to delete this. Okay, instead of adding a choice parameter, I would add something called as Choice cascade dynamic choice parameter. Okay, now I could start giving it a name. Let me give the same name that we gave earlier, platform version, and you need to write a script. If you want to do a dynamic parameterization, I need to handle a script. There is a simple groovy script that I will write here. You would easily understand this. This was the script that I have written, and I have access to this now. Binding dot variables dot get. Okay, bindings dot variable dot get. It will get access to which variable you provide. Now you are asking that if binding dot variables dot get platform version. Okay, if the platform version is hold on. First of all, the user would choose a platform name. Once he choose a platform name, okay, this should not be blank. Okay, this platform name should not be null. Okay, this platform name should not be null. If this platform name is not null, which means the user has chosen one of the platform. Okay, now what I could do is I could go and now get the value that the user chose. Now I need to know what value did the user choose, iOS or Android. So in order for me to do this, again I could say binding dot variables dot get the variable, in our case it's platform name, whatever is the variable value that you get here, let me store it in, call it as platform. Okay, now this is now going to give me the platform name. Oh, I cannot use double quotes in Groovy. I should be using a single quotes in order for me to refer the value. This script, you need not learn the script, but you could have the script handy and you could reuse it wherever you need. Now I got the platform. Now let me check for the platform value. If the platform, whatever is the value that I get, if this value happens to be equals to iOS, okay, if this value is now equal to iOS, then what I would like to do is I would like to now return the values that matches the iOS platform. In my case it's going to be 7.0, 7.0, 8.1, okay, let me go for 8.0, 8.1, whatever are the values that matches the platform versions that matches the platform iOS, I'll be providing it here. Else if, okay, else if the platform happens to be something different, else if the platform happens to be equals to Android, then I will provide the Android specific platform versions. Now let me return whatever would be the Android compatible, the values in single quotes. Okay, and I guess that's it. And what else we need to provide? And it's asking, do you have a reference parameter? Yes, the parameter that I'm referring in my script is a platform name. This is my reference parameter. Let me feed it here, and you could choose what type of data. Is it a multi-select, a single select, a radio button, checkbox? Let me go for a single select. Click apply, save. Now what we did was we used a plugin called Choice plugin, and we are now trying to do a dynamic parameterization. Go back. If you look at here, I could only see the iOS platform versions. If the user go and choose Android, look at this. It's dynamically parameterized. Depending on the platform name that the user choose, the platform version is being dynamically populated. In order for us to achieve this, we went ahead and used a choice cascade dynamic choice parameter, and we have written a very simple Groovy script. Thank you.